Okay. Look at this cool old street. Tiny.
But my car can still go.
Car can still go, but I'm still gonna walk down the middle of the street because I don't think a lot of cars come here unless they have to.
There's a scooter coming.
Oh. No, he stopped.
Stop.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think there's a whole lot down here. Cool, right? Just
Yeah.
a little random alleyway.
I think this is it.
Really? Oh yeah, this is it.
Yeah, according to me. It doesn't look so bad.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at
Oh,
all.
there's the entrance there. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I saw pictures of you on the park side. Yeah, well,
Oh, look at. Hold on, bro. Look at. You can see. You can see the damage still.
Oh, yeah. The burn, right? Is that from the fire?
Yeah, from 1666.
Still.
This is it. St Dunstan in the east. Should I get the other camera out?
Yeah.
You can work this
Yeah,
one.
I can work this one. Is it still on?
It's still on. Recording.
Wow, the fire damage in there. I'm gonna go see what's on the other side of this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see the plants coming through. Oh, even in the front. All the ivy is going through it. Yeah, you can see the plants coming through the window. There's a car that went in the little lane. I said you can see the even on the other side.
I'm recording here, yeah. Okay, here we are.
Oh, you can see the fire damage. I wonder why they didn't fix it. Doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah, there's. I guess this used to be the inside, maybe. I'm gonna go down here.
No, cioè so cosa voglio fargli fare quando andare a ritirare a rubare un pezzo di quel casino là, ma è pratico.
Looks like a fig tree. Yeah, it is a fig tree. Old church converted into a nice garden. Oh, look at this. Oh, you can see the top of it. It's beautiful. Something smells good here. The squirrel room. Oh my goodness, lots of squirrel here. Nice little sanctuary here in the middle of the city. There's Dan filming.
Right?
Yeah, after the damage, Christopher Wren rebuilt it. Then the Tower of the Wren, only the Tower of the Wren church survived.
Right.
That one.
The Blitzkrieg.
Yeah, that we took video of. This is basically where inside what used to be the church.
Right.
It's become a garden.
Become a garden. In the 50s,
I can see the top there.
yeah, this tree.
Behind the tree.
Right in the way.
It's become a beautiful garden. I guess this probably used to be like the entrance of the church.
Yeah. It's cool how you can still see some of the damage, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it's from 1666 or if it's from the Blitzkrieg.
No, it's from it says there, the original church was 1950 AD by St Dunstan, 1950 AD. 950 AD. And then rebuilt after the fire. So beautiful though. This probably was the entrance to the church, right?
Yeah. This was the outer wall.
Now it's a beautiful garden.
Garden.
With all this thing climbing over it.
Yeah, it's essentially they just kind of let it go, right? Let nature take its course.
I'm gonna go see what's here. Pretty. Well, you can see the side wall. That's cool.
I love it how you can see,
The burnt.
you still see burn stains. Like, again, I don't know if it's from the Great Fire of
Yeah.
1666 or if it's from the Blitzkrieg or what. But either way, to think about, like, how much church and
come behind me.
Yeah, this must have been the outer wall, right here?
Yeah. The inside of the church is now just a beautiful garden.
Just a garden. This is what I really wanted to see.
I'm sure that church was very beautiful. It still looked very nice.
It's still a beautiful church, even though it's only a wall. This is what all the kids were excited about. These little squirrels here, who are obviously used to humans.